So today we became a tour guide for our Japanese American friend Hironori Maeda. So yeah, ganun, tinuro namin siya sa Davao City starting from Philippine Eagle kasi gusto niya makita ang eagle. Because yeah, though there were two other few and young eagles in the sanctuary, so yeah. And the rest of the video is followed with in Crocodile Park, museum, National Museum of the Philippines, Davao Museum, and some other videos. And most of the videos and the rest of the videos pala are sceneries. So yeah, enjoy. Yun lang. Bye. A lot of different variety of wala in Japan, yeah.
Ilang tubig yung